Okay, this would be part 3, I guess. Like I said, it's a very large haul, but it was done over, well, it was done in November and December. Part of my Christmas was some cash to play with. So, this is from Unity. I have shopped with Unity since I started scrapbooking and card making, and every year I buy at least a couple of stamps. I don't buy as many anymore, but I still really love them. They are rubber, cling mounted rubber. But this one is for this year, 2020, because of COVID. And it says, trust, it will be okay. This was a sentiment kit, and I'll have to read it probably because it's so small and the glare. But it says, breathe through the uncertainty, compassion, love, kindness, feel all the feelings. Together we will, I can't tell if it says survive. Yes, survive this. Be calm, be brave, be strong. Don't be afraid of what could go wrong. Focus on what could go right. Your strength helps me so much. You keep me calm. Have faith. During these uncertain times, know this is true. You are loved. Please don't worry. I miss seeing your face. Trust, it will be okay. And then the cluster of butterflies, which was another huge selling point for me, as you guys know, because butterflies have been my thing since I was a little itty bitty girl. So there you go. And it has the monarch, which is my favorite. So I got that one. And then I got the Unity Deco Foil toner cards, fronts, which these are the snowflakes. They're all the same. So mini snowflakes. So I still plan on playing with these. I'm leaving my Christmas out in my cart. And this one stole my heart, totally. It's a frumpy little snowman. He's kind of short. And it says, you're so much fun. You're my snow me. So he's made to look like a gnome snowman. How cute is that, right? And I love twists of words or funny puns. So that was a huge one. And then they sent me a free gift, which is, can I find it? 2 little stamps. One is a snowflake. Okay. And the other one is an ornament. You seeing that? So super cute. And I love the way that red rubber can etch. It's awesome. And I love the cling. So that is from Unity. And then the next thing is a kit, actually, from Ellendson. Or Ellen Hudson, I should say. And it's called Bear Cozy Kit. And what it does is it makes a cozy for your coffee. And it comes with the wool and all of the floss and the dyes, of course. And you make cute little bears. I will try to remember to insert a picture. And you also get this awesome bag to keep it all in. So I absolutely love that. I am not affiliated with any of these stores. These are just stores that I shop with frequently. And Ellen Hudson is in Washington, so I love supporting companies that are in my home state or nearby, like Oregon. My next order is from Altenew. Now, this was quite a sizable purchase. I'm not gonna lie. Altenew is one of those companies that is expensive. They are not cheap by any means of the imagination. In fact, I don't shop often because of their prices. I think their prices are a little way out there. And this was really a you know, where you grit your teeth and you're like, am I going to do it? Am I going to not do it? I am not a huge fan, I found out, of layering stamps. But I love me some dies. And I don't mind doing the work for layering dies, such as cottage cuts. So I got this one. This is the Jumbo Garden Picks layering die set. And it makes all these flowers, like the, you know, little roses. You get the leaves. You get the centers. It is a rose, actually. I was thinking you could use those as a wild rose if you wanted to. They're a decent size, so you probably could still. But it's a beautiful rose. That's what it looks like finished. And of course you got all the greenery too that you can individually cut, and I just thought it was gorgeous. And it's very much like their layering stamps. You get the same effect, but with dies it's 3D. And that's why I like dies. And they sent me a freebie that says thank you, and it's the mini daisy, which is super cute, and it's actually small enough that I might color it. I am not a fan of watercolor, but I do like Altenew for watercoloring. I don't know why them, but I do. So that is that. And then the last part of this would be it's actually a pre-birthday gift. This is from Simon Says Stamps. It is the monthly kit for January. I push this out of the way. And you get a whole lot of stuff. It's a snowflake theme, and I can't tell you what the name of the kit is off the top of my head. I'll, again, try to remember to put it somewhere, like in the description. So you get a coupon code for all you Simon Says Stamps fans. And I do like Simon Says Stamps. They're a little slow, to be honest, they're a little slow on their shipping. But now that, you know, the holidays are over, they've actually improved. This is Unicorn Confetti, which is basically just your beautiful iridescent glitter. You get some envelopes, including a holographic, which I think is beautiful. This is Sea Glass Blue, which is my favorite color by them, and some hot pink thing. We won't discuss it. You get some 6x6, a paper collection, it looks like here, by Whimsy Stamps. Their paper has a gloss on it, which is not my favorite, but I do love their prints. They are beautiful, and it is heavyweight paper, and these are just gorgeous. I mean, look at that one, you guys, and that one. Just, yes, I love it. That aqua color and winter and snowflakes, I'm all about that. You get a whole big bottle of Simon Says Stamps Crafty Tacky Glue. I've heard good reviews about this, so I'm curious to see how this works. I hate the tip, but we will see how it works, how thick it is. If it's, you know, on the thinner side, I might actually transfer this to a different bottle or put a different tip on it. You get this gorgeous snowflake die, which is a Simon Says Stamps die. You get the embossing folder, I do believe. Or I might have thrown this in here. I don't know. I can't remember if you get the embossing folder. I'll have to actually look that up. This one is filigree snowflakes. That's what it looks like. Their 3D embossing folders are beautiful. Very much like the rest of the 3D embossing folders. Oh, here's the paper. It's called Snowflake Season. Kit includes one new Simon Says Stamps Snowflake Season 6x8 clear stamp, which is this. Very, 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 sorry for the glare, pretty. One Simon Says Stamps Filigree Snowflake embossing folder. You do get it. The Elisa Snowflake die. 12 double-sided sheets of Whimsy Stamps. Blurry Flurries. 6x6 paper. One jar of Simon Says Stamps Unicorn Confetti Glitter. 1 bottle of Craft tacky glue, a A2 envelope in white, doll pink, metallic sea glass, and holographic, and 1 sheet of Simon's holographic copper design cardstock, 100-pound cardstock in lavender, doll pink, and sea glass. And sea glass is my favorite color of theirs. I absolutely love it. So this is the doll pink. Okay, passing on that quickly. This is my color, sea glass. I love, love, love. I wish it was coming off true on camera. This color. And then here's their lavender and their holographic, which is beautiful. So that is what you get in the Simon Says Stamps kit. And that is part 3, you guys. So I will be back with one more part to my end of the year haul. And I will talk to you guys soon. Make a happy memory. Bye-bye.